Hey there, future engineers and curious minds. Have you ever wondered why glass breaks but rubber stretches? Why airplanes use lightweight metals? Or why your phone doesn't melt when it gets hot? All of that is explained by an amazing subject called material science. Let's dive into this magical world where atoms and materials decide how strong, light, or bendy things are. What is material science? Here's a famous definition. Material science is the study of the properties, structure, and uses of materials. In simple words, it's like being a detective of stuff. You look at what things are made of, how they behave, and how we can make them better. It's like Lego for grown-ups, but instead of bricks, you use metals, plastics, glass, and more. Real-world examples. Let's take a look around. Your phone screen is made of tough glass called Gorilla Glass. It's scratch-resistant. Bridges are made of steel because it's super strong. Batteries use chemical materials to store energy. Teflon on your frying pan doesn't let eggs stick, thanks to material science. From airplanes to zippers, everything you touch has been engineered by understanding materials. Types of materials. There are four main types of materials. Metals, strong and shiny, like iron and aluminum. Polymers, stretchy and soft, like plastic and rubber. Ceramics, hard but breakable, like glass and tiles. Composites, mix of two or more materials, like carbon fiber. Each material has special powers. Some are light, some are heat-proof, and some are super flexible. Famous quote by material scientist M.F. Ashby, "Choose the right material and design becomes easier." Why it's important. Material science is behind almost every invention you see. Safer cars, stronger buildings, better sports gear, eco-friendly packaging, space rockets. Even in medicine, like making artificial bones or smart bandages, this field shapes the future by shaping what things are made of. What you'll learn in this playlist. In our material science playlist, we'll explore atomic structures, how materials are built, properties like strength, hardness, and flexibility, why some materials conduct electricity and others don't, smart materials that change shape with heat or light. We'll show you real-life uses, fun facts, and even easy experiments you can try at home. So the next time you open a can, charge your phone, or wear a helmet, remember, material science is at work. Comment below, which material do you find the coolest? Like this video, subscribe for more mind-blowing science, and don't miss our next video, Strength of Materials. Let's explore what the world is made of, one material at a time.